Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Howler. We are on today Bloodycase site. I have $756 balance. If you want 10% deposit bonus and free 5Ks, you will click top up and click promo code. Use my promo code Howler. If you use my promo code, you have special offers. Example, if you $20 balance deposit, you can get extra $5 balance. You have all country deposit method. If you want deposit for this site, you have method credit card deposit, gift card, crypto and CSGO deposit method. This site have new event X-Strike. This is event days 57 day. This is event have 6 new cases. I will check it. This site have game mode, case battle, case open contract, upgrade. I want profit. Then let's go. Egg hunter case. I will 5 time open. Let's go. Give me expensive. Okay. I think bad change. Let's go. Egg hunter's case. No man. Oil open fast. Very wet. Again very wet. Fast mode active. I will farm. Oh my god, what the fuck. Interesting. 10 time open. Let's go. Oh my god, sight. Again. I will tactical from contract mode. 4 time open. Let's go. Okay. Yes, contract time. Nice. I will hard mode. Medium mode. Oh my goodness. Again upgrade. Oh, nice. Incredible. Again. Okay, thanks sites. Let's go. Fuck. Okay, not bad. Oh my. Let's. I will sell. I will sell glove. M4A's perfect fade skin. This is event battle pass event store and leaderboard mode. If you buy battle pass, you have level price. Event store here. I have 242 egg point. Leaderboard. Wow, Kraken and perfect. Okay. I will open expensive case. Example, diamond or which case? I will look. Oh my god, butterfly case. Let's go. Please site, please give me expensive. Okay. Oh my god, $1,300. Oh my goodness. What the? Just do it. Let's go. Fuck. I am crazy. Impossible upgrade time. Impossible upgrade. Okay. Not problem. I have very expensive butterfly knife. Thanks for watching me everyone. If you want more Bloodycase site video, subscribe my channel and like my video. I will say again, if want 70 cent dollar balance and 10% bonus, use my promo code. Goodbye.